Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your headphones Baseus Bowie H1 in the application. You have to start by open Baseus app, and of course you need to add your headphones to the application. Then tap at your headphones in the app, at the device list and then we need to go to the settings at the right bottom. At the second line we have a name, tap at that line, and right here write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna add this text. Then you need to click check mark at the right top. Also, you can remove all this text by tap at this icon. And then you need to write it something. So let's call it Bowie and click at the check mark. And as you can see, I just change it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.